Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are making a seafood soup, and this one is delicious. Personally, I really love seafood soup and I have some great memories with it. I don't necessarily associate seafood with Spain. I more so associated with Cyprus because I took a trip to Cyprus back in 2015, and there was this one restaurant, and this seafood soup in there is just it brings me back to there. So it's great memories. Sometimes I get teary-eyed when remembering it, and I can really never replicate the taste of that soup, but this one is another easy and simple seafood soup recipe. So let's show you guys how to. First step, before we get started on anything else, we're going to make our fish stock, and here we have the peels of shrimp. And I would advise you that when you're working with shrimp, just don't throw it away. You can keep them in the freezer because this would be one of the best fish stocks you can work with. So here we have shrimp peels, some parsley, and a few bay leaves. So of course, make sure to wash these. And the first step is we're going to put them in our pot where we'll be cooking our fish stock. And we're going to saute them until they release their aroma and they become a pink color. So as you can see, it's nice and pink right now. It smells amazing. It actually smells like fresh shrimp. So now we're going to add 1.5 liters of boiling water. Add also the parsley and bay leaves, and we're going to let that cook for 10 minutes. Been 10 minutes, now we're just going to turn it off the heat and leave it, set it aside, and move to the next step. So to make this sopa de marisco, or the seafood soup, here we have 3 medium tomatoes that we've cut. You can cut randomly really because we're going to blend everything later on, so it doesn't matter. Here we have 1 red pepper, 2 medium potatoes that we'll use later on. Here we have a tablespoon of tomato paste, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, and about 2 cloves of garlic that we've cut once again randomly. Half a kilogram of seafood mix. You can use as much or as little as you want, depends on your taste. And here we have 1 medium white onion that we've also cut. And we're also going to need the fish stock that we made earlier. Extra virgin olive oil. This one is Spanish since today's cooking theme is Spain or Spanish cuisine. Black pepper and some salt. So our first step is on medium heat in our pot. We're going to add the olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Next, we're adding in the garlic immediately, and we're going to saute that. And once you start to smell the aroma of the garlic, you add your onion. We're going to add the onion. We're going to add a little bit of salt just to help it become transparent. And we're just going to saute that for a little bit. So now that it has started to get translucent, we're going to add the peppers. So we're just going to saute them together for a little bit. So after a while, now we're just going to add the tomatoes. And we're going to add a little bit of black pepper. We're also going to be adding the chili flakes. And we're going to mix all of that together until they just saute really well. So now that everything has softened, now we're just going to add about half a liter or 500 milliliters of the prawn stock that we made earlier. And we're going to just wait for it to cook, simmer at 20 minutes on medium heat. So after about 20 minutes, we took it off the heat, and now we're just going to blend everything together. So once we've blended everything together, we're going to turn the heat on again, and we're going to add the tomato paste. And we're just going to mix that. So we're going to add the rest of the shrimp or prawn stock that we made earlier. So once the mixture has boiled, now we're just going to add our potatoes 5 to 7 minutes or until the potatoes cook, because the seafood is not going to take more than 5 minutes to cook. And after this stage, just taste for the salt before adding in your seafood. So it's been about 7 minutes and the potatoes look done. So now we're going to add the seafood. Just going to mix all of that for 5 minutes and then taste for salt, and our soup is ready. So this is what the soup looks like. It smells amazing. You get that seafood smell, the prawn smell. I really just want to try it right now. You know, with the prawn stock that we made, the entire house smells like prawns and it smells amazing. You can see bits and pieces of seafood and the potatoes in there, which really gives it some nice additional texture. The taste, you can taste the prawns from the stock, and you can also the tomatoes give it a nice creaminess, and the seafood gives it some texture alongside the potatoes. So it's really delicious. It's really just amazing. So I highly recommend making it. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you like watching this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Discord so you guys can support me to make further content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.